have a 4.0 in
Monteober,
trios.
quiet.
I have a 4.0 in
We
trios.
we both have above
I have a
7% win rate.
4.0 in trios, man.
I don't give a shit, dude. We got 7 in quads.
A 7% win rate.
Yes.
That's what I was doing last game.
No, you even wanted to move prior to that, dude. If you would have stayed atop and cleared the rears. Dude, we played together and we tried everything.
Fucking quick scope somebody. That game was insane.
Targets are up. Get to work.
Come on.
Located a supply box. Secure that position.
I get wins in that bombs, man. I get fucking. I'm trying to get a 30 bomb.
Dude, the bomb. Okay. We're not playing to get like 30 kill bombs. We're playing to win.
Fucking map. Tactical fucking nuke inbound over. I'm trying to kill everyone until I know for sure I just ran into a cheater. There's no other way. That dude could kill me.
Yeah. I mean, why are we...
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Oh, team going to you. Fucking.
Next objective located.
Downed one. Another one dropped where that guy is.
Dude, what? What? Nice.
Oh, Jesus.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Frag out!
If I wasn't here, you would have been dead right now.
Nah.
Yes. 100%.
What is this supposed to
I killed those two guys. They were pushing your building. You didn't even see that they were pushing your
be? They're
building.
going for the loadout.
No. Oh, man.
Loadout drop headed your way. Gas is inbound.
Oh, there's one.
Contract
There's
complete.
one on the very
Supply
top.
box is located.
Alright.
Sending thermite.
Yeah, I'm taking a weird... Alright.
Here, take my money for it.
Mark the target.
Hey, one's right here. One's right in front. Yo, call you up.
Requesting recon.
Drop him in.
UAV entering the AO.
Push. What the fuck is this dude doing?
Relocating.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Found a recon contract.
Chopper. Yeah, that was amazing. That was fucking amazing.
Tickle time, bro.